Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that lives in the sea. Any guesses? This animal has shiny scales and blows bubbles. That's right, it's a fish. Let's draw one together. Okay, to start off our fish, we're going to draw a dot in the middle of the page, and that is just so we have a reference where the middle of the page is. Now to draw our fish, we're going to start off with a large oval shape, keeping that dot in the middle of the page. Just like this, back, round and down, and connect it to where you started. See how it's an oval, but it's a little bit squished, so the ends are a bit pointier than an oval. That's the body of our fish. Now we're going to do the fins to our fish, and that's what helps them swim around. Let's start with the top one. So we're going to go up and create almost a gentle M shape and back down like this. Go directly below that fin and follow that dot here. We're going to do a smaller fin, a bit of a U shape, and back up. That's to create the bottom fin. And lastly, we have the tail fin. Now this is a little bit more of a complicated shape. So to do this, we're going to start from the bottom, create a curved line. See that shape I just drew? We're going to copy that same shape up like that to create its fin. Now that is a little bit more of a difficult shape, so if you want to start in pencil and then go over it in pen, you should do that. Also feel free to pause the video in case you need extra time. Now we've got the base of our fish. We're going to draw its eye. We're just going to do that here. And then, going to draw a line, so just go a little bit on from the top fin and draw a gentle curved line right to the bottom, and that's where the head of the fish is. Head of the fish, the body of the fish, the fins. And one last fin that I forgot to mention. We're going to use this dot and draw a fin in the middle, and this is a small fin again, and it's a bit like a pebble shape. Something like that. All right, and now once you have your fish, you can go ahead and colour it in. Fishes come in all sorts of different colours, so feel free to choose whatever colour you like. I personally am going to go for a blue, or more of like a silvery blue if you like. All right, now, once we've got our fish coloured in, like so, I'm going to add a little bit more detail to my fish. So I'm going to draw some straight lines like that, going in the same direction that the fin is going. And I'm going to do a couple of lines like that on that fin. A couple on that fin. And a couple on this fin. You can do these lines in whatever direction you like. I'm going to add a little smiley face. To finish it off, I'm just going to add some little highlights to show the light in the water. And there you go. There's your fish.
What type of fish did you draw? Did it have lots of bubbles coming out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. And head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with a community of like-minded kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.